Proportions of the human face. The shape of the head is an egg. Eyes are halfway between the top of the head and the chin. The space between the eyes is the width of one eye. The bottom of the nose is halfway between the eyes and the chin. The mouth is 1/3 the distance between the nose and chin. The corners of the mouth align with the center of the eyes. The tops of the ears line up with the tip of the eyebrow. The bottom of the ears line up with the bottom of the nose. The hairline is different for everyone. Generally in teens, it is placed at the top 1/4. The width of the shoulders is equal to 2 head lengths. These ideal proportions vary slightly from person to person. Check your own creations to see if the proportions are correct.